Hello, everyone, and welcome to Darren Hour. I'm your host, Darren Jarla, and this is a talk show where we try new things. Today we have a guest, actually two special guests. Please welcome Bob the scientist and Jessica the meteorologist.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello, Bob and Jessica, and welcome to Darren Hour. Let's get right into it. Can you please tell us a little bit about yourselves and what you are researching?
Well, I'm a scientist and I recently created the first ever time machine on Earth. You can ride it and go wherever you want, or whenever you want.
Well, I'm a meteorologist and I'm researching the Great Snow of 1717. It's a very interesting topic, you know. Well, I would love to get to know these topics better. Bob, can we try your awesome time machine first? I can't wait to try it. And then we can listen to Jessica's fascinating presentation about the Great Snow of 1717.
I want to do my presentation first.
No, I'm going first. After all, my time machine is more interesting than your boring slideshow.
No way, my slideshow is not boring.
It is boring.
No, it's not.
This is the most.
No,
most
it's
boring.
not.
No,
boring.
it's not.
No, it's
Okay. How about a compromise? We can ride Bob's time machine to the scene of the Great Snow of 1717. How about that? It works perfectly.
Fine. I guess I'll have to work, since obviously you both want to go first.
Okay then, it's decided. In this episode of Darren Hour, we are going back in time, folks. How cool is that? It's even better than the time we ate meatballs from the sky. Now let's go on the time machine and go to the past. Where do we go, Miss Jessica?
Well, we can go to the December of 1716, right before the Great Snow of 1717. That way we can start from the beginning.
Oh, it's snowing a lot here.
It should, because by the end of December it snowed 2 to 4 feet in the New England region.
Now, what is the New England region? Is it in Europe, Asia, Africa?
No, it's actually right here in the US, and it's where we are right now. It is a region in the northeastern part of the United States, and it contains the Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. Snow is piling up quickly here. We should get moving to the next scene. Where do we go now? We should go to February 27th. That's when the Great Snow of 1717 actually started. In January, snow continued to fall. By the end of January, some towns had 4 to 6 feet of snow. That's already a lot. Starting February 27th, there were 3 snowstorms back to back. The 3 storms lasted about a week. Most of the towns in the New England region were completely covered in snow by the time the storms ended. People could only go out of their houses using 2nd or 3rd story windows. Most towns had up to 8 feet of snow, and snowdrifts as tall as 25 feet were very common. Not 25 inches, 25 feet.
Wow, that's a lot. Why did it snow so much?
Other meteorologists and scientists think the reason why it snowed so much is because 3 volcanoes erupted in Asia in 1716. The Taal volcano in the Philippines, Mount Kirishima in Japan, and the Kelut volcano in Indonesia all erupted at about the same time, covering Earth's atmosphere with a lot of ashes and dust. That might have been the cause of the massive amount of snow and the temperature drop in North America, especially in the New England region. This is referred as a volcanic winter.
Oh, look, there's a dog over there.
We should probably rescue it because most of the animals who were outside during the Great Snow of 1717 got lost in the snow and couldn't find their way back home.
Doing a good deed is always a good thing, even in the past.
We shouldn't be outside right now because it's going to a snowstorm soon. Let's go to the time machine and go to 2 weeks after. Here we are 2 weeks after the storms hit. There is still a lot of snow on the ground, but it's not snowing anymore. Even though there is still a lot of snow, people are trying to get things back to normal. Postal workers are making deliveries on snowshoes, and neighbors are making tunnels to keep in touch with each other.
Wow, not even being able to go to your neighbor's house? That's scary. I'm glad that I didn't live in 1717.
The time machine is almost out of fuel. I think we should head back to the 21st century again.
All right, to the future we go. That was the most craziest trip I ever had. Not only did we learn a lot about the Great Snow of 1717, but we also got to experience some of it. That was the most craziest, fun, and awesome episode I think we ever had on this show. Tune in every Saturday on Channel 9 to see more of Daring Hour. See you next time!